Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video, we're gonna learn how to display customers or clients' testimonials and feedbacks into our WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this one with a friend of yours. After this, remember or go to the yesterday's video where I did explain how to collect real clients' testimonials, okay, for your site. We did install a plugin called Strong Testimonials, and we did create a form where clients can submit real and correct testimonials and feedbacks for your store, for your products, for your site, and all the testimonials gonna be present right here. Okay, we have 3 testimonials. Of course, we're gonna get more and more of this, but after having a considerable amount of testimonials, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins in the case that you did not install this plugin yet, hit on add new, search for strong testimonials, hit the button install now, then activate and create your form following the video that I'm gonna leave in the description below and a card over here. Then review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over testimonials and hit the option views. Now we're gonna click on add view. We can display this into the display mode, into the slideshow, form, and single template. I prefer the slideshow, okay? I think it works better. Then you can customize the post IDs that you want to select. 1 or more testimonials, oldest first, quantity, all, you can reveal the quantity. You can display the title, the featured image if you have one. I don't have it. The entire content, and the full name. You can add another field, for example, category, start hating, client name. I think they start hating looks nice. You can add the read more link in the case that you want. You can change the slider automations. I think you can show the slider for less time, maybe 5 seconds. Fade for 1 second. You can change the style. In the case that you want, there is a couple of themes that you can play with. We can change the background. Then save change. You're gonna generate you a shortcode. You can copy this shortcode. Go to page, go to posts, go to widgets, and place this shortcode wherever you want. You can click the plus button to the page, search for the shortcodes widget, place the shortcode, and let's preview the results we got. Here is the slider. I think it's gonna be better if I apply this into some column layout. Maybe just like this. And right here I can apply some heading. And some text. Just to occupy the space. Let's review the results we got. And here is our testimonials appearing automatically. Of course, we can fully customize the way that it's gonna looks like. We can change the colors, we can change what info you're going to display. You can display the client name, you can display the client title, the testimonial title, all up to you and to your needs. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!